Assalamu alaikum ninjas, ahlan wa sahlan bikum. Your Ninja Muhammad with another unboxing and hands-on test review. We have a BlitzWolf soundbar or speaker, we call like that, sound speaker. Portable Bluetooth 5.0 speaker, which is called the BW-AS4. We're gonna do a quick unboxing just to see what we have in the box, and immediately we're gonna test it with my laptop to see how great this speaker it is for around 50 bucks. The buying links will be in the description. Yeah, we're gonna just voila quickly. I don't want to bother you with those morbid 10 years old unboxing which lasts for 5-10 minutes. So I'm gonna just show you what you have in content, and that's it. Here we have of course the audio cable which you connect with everything which has 3.5. So we have here a micro USB cable for charging your sound speaker, portable speaker, and we have here some manuals, ninjas. Some manuals. Here we have the sound speaker, beautiful BlitzWolf speaker. This is my first BlitzWolf speaker, ninjas, that I reviewed so far, I think so. So what are the selling points? Check out how unique this is. This is a very unique design, ninjas. I think this is the only kind of speaker which you can find, and it is one of the best selling points about this device, about this gadget. It is this unique design itself. Check it out how it looks like. Beautiful. So this is a BlitzWolf $50, $54 speaker. The selling points is 20 watts powerful output, 2000 mAh battery inside of it, and just 360 stereo sound, unique design, TWS function, and RGB light, ninjas. Yes, full RGB light. So we have a crystal surround sound, sense omnidirectional sound in every corner of room, fully indulge in hi-fi powerful bass delivering, ninjas. And here we have the buttons. This is just a quick kind of design overview of this speaker soundbar, can call it like that. Plus minus play. Here we have for the RGB, I'll show you later on. And here we have the power on and power off button. On the bottom we have some specs. There you go, you can see best of power is 20 watts, battery 2000, made in China by BlitzWolf. And on the back, ninjas, we have aux port, SD card. Yes, this can also ninjas play. Just a minute, let me see, I don't have nails. There you go. This also can play by itself. You don't have to connect it with the Bluetooth connectivity to your laptop or to a phone. Simply you can just insert SD card and play whatever you have in an SD card. And we have DC 5 volts micro USB port for the charging purposes. Beautiful. That's it, ninjas. This is the design. I'm gonna just put it back. This is the design of this BlitzWolf soundbar. Loving it. Seriously, this is one of the best unique designs right now for this price tag of $55. Let's quickly connect it immediately and check the sound quality. Check this out, ninjas. First, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to use the Bluetooth connectivity first. I can just BW-AS4 pair it. The Xiaomi 11. You can also here see battery 90% active. Beautiful. And ninjas, by the way, this is it right now. The RGB, you can change from here different modes. There you go. Check this out. Even while connected to the Bluetooth with the smartphone, you can do this, ninjas. Beautiful. Check this out. Different colors. Also, it can go here like a flashing, reverse one, then different colors, faster. Beautiful. And you can go like this, fade in, fade out, if I can call it like that. Or you can completely disable it, ninjas. Obviously you're going to save on the battery if you disable the RGB lights. So you can select every single color which you have, and it goes fade in, fade out. Or you can just simply have this complete white color brightening all together all the time, and just hold it and disable it. And let's now play something. Okay. Check it out. Plus here also. Oh, check this out. Oh, you can skip the sound, but how I'm gonna... Ah, nice. So hold it to bring the speaker up, speaker down, or you can just pause it. Okay, it works. The pause option, it works. Just hold it. Check it out. That is so loud. That is so loud. 360 degrees. Wow. 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 Ninjas, this is crazy loud. Wow, what a loudness, man! There's no even need me to even use the 3.5mm audio jack here. With this Bluetooth connectivity, this has this kind of strength and this power. That is insane, Ninjas. That is honestly insane. Let's go. I love about it. It's also controllable. You can control the YouTube. You can go to the next song, next track. This, Ninjas, if you tap it, if you touch it for the first time after maybe 10-15 seconds of non-activation, then it's gonna not be activated. You have to press 2 times the buttons to activate basically the function of this soundbar, like see yourself, yeah? Probably cannot. Okay, go next. There we go. Another song. All cappella, beatbox only, voices in the back.
I pray for Jannah, 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 Jannah.
Wow, that is so rich. That is so rich, man. That is so rich for $55. This is insane quality. I'm telling you, BlitzWolf is gonna come. Wow. You can hear, you can see Ninjas.
حياتي قرآن رحمن يا رحمن ساعدني يا رحمن
Awesome, bro.
اشرح صدري قرآن املأ قلبي قرآن واسق حياتي قرآن.
Some hip hop, halal hip hop without music, only beatbox.
Everybody is eating, yeah. Understanding with my work, cause money go fast when you cheat, yeah. They be cuffing the trenches and had it so mad at the deep.
Wow, what awesome stuff. What awesome stuff, bro.
In the city you can't move slow. Slow. Not deep. Something that I cannot live for. I can live for. Yeah. Right. When I see me cause I got my tears slow. Timing. If it's only gonna let my work show.
Ninjas, I think you get the point that this is a must-have in your pocket, in your basically studio, in your house, in your office, wherever you are. This is an insane quality sound speaker, soundbar. Highly recommend it. I don't have any problems whatsoever with it. Check it out, man. It's shaking. The table is shaking. $55, man. Insane. Buying links in the description. Buy it right now and be happy. مع السلامة.